Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chainlink token. In my previous video, we saw that the Chainlink completed a very big bullish reversal setup. In the month of March, I shared this idea with you, and the price action of Chainlink formed a very big godly move on the weekly time frame chart. And I told you that it can be a very powerful explosive move. And let me to show you the result of this trade as well. First of all, let me show you some other trades as well. I also shared I shared two trading ideas about the Chainlink. First, I shared the link with US dollar, and that was in December 2020 when the price action of Link completed this godly move on the daily time frame chart. And at that time, it was moving at $12. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a very powerful bullish reversal rally from this buying zone of the bullish godly move. And the next chart that I shared with you almost 2 months ago, and this was the video for that chart that I shared in the month of March, when I told you that the price action has formed a very big bullish godly on the weekly time frame chart. And this time it formed this bullish godly move with the Bitcoin pair. And I am also sharing all these harmonic trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And you can see that I shared this trading idea on 20th of March at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the chart when I was expecting up to 62% bullish rally. And let me do play this chart, then we can watch the result for this trade. And we can see that at that time the price action was moving in the buying zone, and the price was 0.00052825 satoshis. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action moved up to 0.001 satoshis. That was more than 112% bullish rally, and the price action moved back in this sell zone. Now this time the price line has again formed another very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern, and I'm just going to share the complete buying and sell targets with you in this current video. But before that, I would like to show you the different support and resistance levels for the Link token on the daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price action first had a very strong resistance at $20. We can see that previously it was working as a resistance. Like here it was working as a resistance, then here the price action broke out this resistance, used the previous resistance of $20 as a support, confirmed this breakout and moved to the upside, and here it worked as a support. And now therefore this time this $20, after this current drop, this $20 has worked as a very strong support again. And we can see that after this drastic drop, the price action moved at the $20. We had a spike beyond $20. However, the price line is reversed after hitting this strong resistance of $20 and even broke out the next resistance of $30, moving towards the next resistance of $35. This is also a very strong resistance. You can see here it has been breaking as a resistance, and here it has been working as a resistance. Here it worked as a support and as a support, and now it will work as a resistance. Then we have $44, and the final resistance will be at $50. And now I'm going to show you a broadening formation that the price action of Chainlink is forming, and we can see that it is forming the higher highs. Whenever it is getting bounced by the support of this broadening formation, you can see that it is forming the higher highs and the higher lows. For example, here we have seen the price action formed a higher high, moved down at the support, moved up, formed another higher high, and here the price action did not hit the support of this broadening formation, moved up and formed another higher high. And here the price action finally again, after this drop, moved at this support and formed another higher low. And now we can expect another higher high. For example, if it will hit at this level, at this point, then it can hit the next resistance of $50 again. However, I'm not expecting that it will be stopped at the resistance, because every time it is forming the higher highs, therefore it can even cross the $50 and form another higher high. Now, let's move to this harmonic bullish cipher pattern that has been formed on the weekly chart. And here we can see that the price action formed this harmonic bullish cipher pattern very well. This is the initial leg, then retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 1.272 to 1.414 Fibonacci projection, and then completed this final leg of the bullish cipher by retracing between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And this is the retracement of this X to C leg, and we can see that we had even extra spike beyond this buying zone, but it is moved back in this buying zone, and at this time it is moving above the buying zone. Maybe it will give us another chance to catch it from this buying zone that starts from $23.65 and ends up to $16.78. And we also have some additional supports on this weekly time frame chart of 50 simple moving average and the 100 simple moving average as well. And we can see that 2 times the price action has been bounced back by this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. That is really very strong support. But I'm not looking for these targets. I'm expecting that once the price action will start a proper bullish reversal move from this buying zone of this bullish cipher pattern, then it will form another higher than the previous high. Like I have already shared with you that here the price action has already formed this broadening formation, and it is forming the higher highs. So this time I will be looking for the price action to hit more than $50, and it can easily break out this $50 resistance level, as we have already observed that the price action is respecting the support and resistance levels of this broadening formation, and every time it is forming the higher lows and the higher highs as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.